What a beautiful day it is today. So what's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Is it a good day? You guys having a good, awesome, fun, non-rainy, non-wet day like we're having today? It's been a pretty chill day, not too much going on. I wanted to go out and play with the STI today to see how well our oil cooler setup in the car is actually doing. I haven't really had a chance to actually go play with it yet. So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna go be obnoxious with the car. We're gonna go get on it a little bit, and we're gonna give it some beans. We're gonna see if we can get oil temp to like get too hot. We'll see if it gets too cold. I ain't got no idea, but we're just gonna go be obnoxious. So let's go jump in the car, drive around. Dude, I'm so over the rain. It's June. The weather should be nice. Should be nice outside. It's not. We just get this poopy rain. We went out and did like a photo shoot last night, and I like started vlogging that one, but I absolutely hated the video, so I never edited or uploaded it. But when taking photos of this car at night, I realized something, that taking photos of black cars at night is incredibly difficult and you don't get like any detail in the photos. So that got me started to, well, I mean, that got me thinking, like, I kind of want to wrap the 05 STI. Like, what are your guys' thoughts on this? What are your ideas? What are your things? Random thoughts with Tanner today. Seems like how this video is going. I was thinking kind of like yellow. Like, I thought a yellow would be really cool in this car, kind of like the Sonic yellow bug eyes back in the day. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Oh, I'm gonna vent to you guys a little bit about this stupid experience I had on OfferUp. So for this car, I went out, well, I didn't go out. I hopped online and I ordered a front lip and a set of side skirt extensions for the car. And I found somebody on OfferUp who had them locally, the exact same ones that I ordered. And they've been posted on OfferUp for like 3 years at this point. So I was like, hey man, do you even still have these? Like, I saw that you posted them like 3 years ago. Did they sell? You just forgot to take them down or something like that. So I messaged him and he messages back. He says, nope, still have them. They've just been collecting dust in the garage. And he's selling the exact same front lip, side skirts, rear spats, and a diffuser, all as like a kit for like $700 or so, right? So I was like, hey, would you be willing to sell me the front lip and the side skirts? He was like, no, I'd rather not separate the kit. I was like, all right, that's totally fine. I'll offer to buy the kit for $500. He says, no, I'd rather take the $700 and wait. I was like, bro, you've been waiting 3 years to sell these parts. 3? I don't know why. Just boiled my blood for some reason. Like, you've been having them sit for 3 years and you ain't gonna sell them? You ain't gonna split up a kit? Come on, why are you even selling them? Sounds like you're just holding on to them for like party decorations at this point. I can beat on this car all day. I would. I am. I will. Oil temp, how you doing? You went down. You went back down to like 83. On this car? Do I drive this car too hard? There's like hella people pulled off on the side of the road. Like, can you guys not drive in the rain? It's just a little water. You live in Washington. You should be used to this. What up, Impreza? You want to be my friend? I don't think he wants to be my friend. It's alright. I didn't want you as my friend. Ha! Ha! Joke's on you. I just wanted him to be my friend. What about you? Camry, you want to be my friend? I don't think he wants to be my friend. He looks scary. That's a cop in front of me. Let's not do that. Let's not speed up super quick to the cop. Are you turkey bacon? Are you not even a real cop? You're just driving around in a Ford Explorer? You honey dicking people? Can we break the tires loose a little bit? Is that a possibility? I don't think so. I don't think we can break the tires loose. Oh, fourth gear, I'm so sorry. Abusing my car. Just abusing my car today. Whether I'm grinding gears or blowing up the engine. Don't mind me just hopping back on the freeway. Gonna go abuse my car some more. Ooh, hydroplaned a little bit back there. And they just lose their mind. Oh, there's water! I can't drive! I don't remember how! I'm gonna freak this guy out, man. Come on! I was intentionally riding third gear, by the way. I know to shift. Just trying to get oil temp up. Oh, that's a lot of water. Woo! Okay, that one probably shouldn't have sped through. Look at that. See, this guy saw the river of water and he's like, I'm out. I'm out. Oh, Forrest, look at this guy. That's what I'm saying. He's all about it. I'm actually taking the next exit, so I need to get back over here. My car. Oh yeah, it's very rainy up here. How's oil temp? 86 degrees. This oil cooler's doing wonders. Does no one else beat on their car? Am I the only one? Like, you build the car, you might as well enjoy it, right? Like, enjoy the car. Here, look, we'll cruise for a minute. Psych! Boost! I'm sorry. I'm just having too much fun. This weather is perfect for owning a Subaru and apparently a Toyota Tundra. There is quite a bit of water on the roadway today, Jimmy. You've done good, baby girl. You're doing great. Let me ask you guys a question, because maybe this is just me. Does the speed at which your windshield wipers wipe bother you? Like, if somebody's driving and it's like a light rain and their windshield wipers are going like this, does that bother you guys, or is that just me? Like, if it's raining like this is totally fine. This is just fine for windshield wiper speed. Understand it. I'm talking so much the whole front of the windshield here is like fogging up. I don't have AC, okay? That's not gonna do anything. I need movement. Oh my god, dude, this is getting like dangerous now. We need some movement. Oh my god. Oh my god, what am I doing? I can't see. So at this point, this is probably when AC would be a good idea. All right, let's head back to the house before I completely fog up this window and can't see anything. Let's do that. Oh, you dick. Launch control. What am I doing? I'm sorry, you guys. All right, I apologize. No, I don't. Ah, quarter WRX pulled up as I was doing that. Don't look at me. Negative 10 feedback knock. I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad. So after abusing the ever-living hell out of my car, did great. No issues at all. Oil temp stayed where it needed to. Didn't get too hot. Didn't get too cold. Probably could have been a little bit better, but you know what? For something I threw together in a garage, not gonna complain. Pretty happy with the car. So, that's all I really got for you guys on this one today. Just wanted to, it's like stupid like wet outside still. As you guys saw in that entire video, it's just like stupid raining. So there's not much going on, not really too much I can do outside of the garage. And I don't really have any part installs that I'm doing today anyway. So there you go. Abusive driving POV. Everyone loves those, right? But if you guys like the video, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like button, turn it black, blue, green, yellow, purple, silver, cyan, whatever color it turns for you guys. Color of the day today is Aquafina, because of the fucking waterfall that's in front of me. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel and you want to be one of these corners, no idea which one I'll put it in quite yet, but with that I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, homies. Woo! Psych. Woo!